The first key point to understand is that the initial hooking is ahead and to either side. So the first one be to the right, and it has to not be above my head, but the tip comes back around somewhat above my head. So it's not that the handle comes above my head. And I'm not picking the sword up in this way here, which is classically what sword cloud waving or yun would be, but rather the tip is going to make a small circle over my head. And you can understand how this here is a defensive action. Here, I'm defending and coming back. But the degree to which this is lifted, the tip is lifted, depends on the situation. So you can understand if the attack was very close, you would pick the sword up in this way here and then rotate it around and cut. Or if there was a little bit more distance, you could extend it a little bit more. But in both cases, it's not flat. In combat use, this might be a very small deflection here. Might just be here. Might just be here. 1, 2 to deflect and countercut. But practice big initially, get the body momentum, ensure that the sword is not above you, that your sword arm is not waving around, so that my wrist itself, when I do this checking, is not making a big circle to cut around, but rather a small circle, whereas the tip of the sword makes the bigger circle and I cut. Now, on the other side, the same applies.